Hello everyone, welcome to EduTech Corner. So in previous videos we have seen how we can read digital values with an example push button, and also we have seen how we can write a digital value with example of LED blinking. So in this video I will show you how we can read analog values using a 3-terminal device, that is a potentiometer. So before continuing, I request you people to please subscribe if you are new to this channel, so that you will not miss our Arduino Proteus series. Now this series is a complete package of Arduino Proteus program. The advantage is that you no need to use any external hardware to program your Arduino program. So we are using a software module of Arduino board. So let us continue. So let us create a new project, file, new project. So we'll give some specific name. I'll give a name as analog read, and I will save my program to destination folder where I used to save all the programs. So analog read. So here I will save the program, next, and finish. Okay, so now we have to import the components. I need Arduino Uno, then I will need pot. I will select pot HG so that I can vary the values. Okay, pot HG. Okay, so this is my Arduino. Now, as I explained you people in the first video, that there are 13 digital pins. So you have to connect all the digital peripherals here, and there are 6 analog pins, A0 to A5. So you have to connect analog peripherals here. So you can't connect analog peripherals in the digital section and read analog values. So you have to connect analog peripherals here itself. So I have to connect my pot here. I can connect to any of the pins. So I will connect analog A0. Okay. So next I have to connect a power. Okay, I will give a power as plus 5 volt. Next I have to connect a ground. Okay, I will connect a ground. Okay, so next I want to check this value, that is, as I vary potentiometer value, I want to see what value it is giving. So I will use a virtual terminal. So we have already seen how to use virtual terminal. So I have to connect RX to TX, and I have to connect TX to RX. Okay, so this is about the connection of Arduino with the potentiometer and virtual terminal in Proteus. Next we have to write a program to display this potentiometer value on virtual terminal. Now for that, let us go to our Arduino. Okay, so let us create a new sketch, and I'll give a name for this new sketch. Now to give a name for this new sketch, we have to save this and save this in specific folder so that you remember later. So analog read, here I'll give name analog read and save. Okay, so first let me declare a pin int. I'll write pot equals to A0, and I have to set up pin mode. I have to set up this pot pin as its input. We are reading a value from the pot, so it's a input and semicolon. I need a serial communication, serial dot begin, and it's a baud rate 9600 and semicolon, and here in the loop I should continuously read a pot value. So I will use one variable int v equals to analog read. Now this is a command to read analog values from Arduino board. So I have to read analog value from A0, pin A0, because pot is connected to pin A0, and let me print these analog values, serial.println v. Okay, so what it will do, I have declared a pot pin as A0 because I have connected to A0 and it is input. I have begun a serial communication. I am continuously reading analog values from the pot pin and storing in a variable v, and I am just printing this on virtual terminal. So as you know, I have to verify whether there is any error or something. Next I have to generate compiled binaries. Okay, so done compiling. You can check whether it is generated. So build AVR, you can see it is already generated. So done with programming part. Let us verify our program. So in Proteus, double click on Arduino board and open program file, analog read, build, and click .hex file and click open. Okay, so then click OK. So let us run this program. So you can see it is giving 512. So as I vary, okay, now you can see as I vary 40%. See, I'm varying this. You can see analog values are changing. So as I vary, it is changing. So as I increase, it is increasing its values. You can say it is for 100%. Now as I told, for particular depending on input voltage, if I give 5 volt, it gives value from 0 to 1024. Depending on input voltage, it gives a range of values varying from 0 to 1024, or depending on this input voltage. So now let us add some concept here. So we'll connect one LED to pin number 13. So we'll import an LED active. I'll use yellow LED. So then let us connect to pin number 13. Okay, and I have to use a ground. So in the programming, what we will do is, so we'll use one more pin, int LED, say it is pin number 13, and I have to declare this pin as a output, say LED pin, and it is output. So let us blink an LED, digital write LED comma high semicolon, then delay. So sorry, delay semicolon, digital write. So I will copy paste here LED comma low. So here, instead of giving particular delay, I will pass these values here. Okay, I will pass this value. So let us check what will happen. So click compile. So then go to export compiled binary. So let us verify now. If I run this code, you can see for some particular value it is blinking. So if I reduce this, okay, I will reduce this. You can see LED started blinking little fast. If I still reduce this, you can see it is blinking little more fast. So this is how you can control the timing or delay of LED with this potentiometer. So this is about how you can read analog values, and we have also seen a small concept of how you can control the delay of an LED using a potentiometer. So if you like this video, I request you to please press a like button and also subscribe to our channel to get update on Arduino Proteus series. Thank you.